Hi guys, Clara Hudson here of While They Play Designs, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do working in the back loop. A lot of times in patterns you'll see just a regular single crochet. That typically means you're just going to be working through both loops of your previous row of stitches. But when they tell you in the pattern to work into the BL, that usually stands for the back loop of the stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that for you today. And what this actually does is it creates almost a ribbing effect similar to what you get in knitting. But I have started out here with a row of just foundation single crochets. And what I'm going to do is chain one and then turn my work. And if you take a look at the tops of our previous stitches here, we have our chain one there. We're not going to work into that. But this is our next stitch, these two loops. And instead of working normally, we would just work into both loops of that top of that stitch. We're actually just going to work into the back loop. So that means the loop furthest away from you as you're looking at your work. So we're going to go into that back loop, pull up a loop, and finish off our single crochet. And then go into the next back loop, drop a loop, and finish our single crochet. So you're just going to do this all the way across the row, and you'll start to see, you can actually see your bottom row of single crochets kind of pop out. They don't get hidden since we're not working in both of those loops. And then when we get to the end of the row, I'm just going to show you how to chain and turn your work and work the other direction. And in your pattern, it's always going to tell you if they want you to continue to work in the back loop or if they want you to start working in both loops. But we've reached our last stitch. We're ready to turn our work, so we chain one, we turn around, go into that first stitch, but go into the back loop only, and then continue to work along. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this row. I'm going to do the next row the exact same way, and you'll be able to see that little rib stitch start to appear as you're working these rows. Just finish off my work. Working in the back loop of every single row just kind of gives you a little bit of a bumpy effect, almost like duplicating rib stitches in a knit pattern, but in crochet. So this is the effect that you'll get by working in the back loop of your stitches in single crochet.